Everyone, in this video I am going to tell you the only way to become fluent in English, as you could see in the title of this video. So before we start this video, let me tell you about myself. My name is Ghazala. I am from West Bengal, and here I am making video to improve my English, so we can both get motivated. You get motivated by seeing me, and I get motivated by posting every day and improving day by day. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Is there any specific time to learn English? Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or after 2 days, or day or night? No, there is no specific time to speak English or to learn English. If you really want to learn and speak in English, then start it from right now. Yes, from right now you could just start speaking. Most of the people fear to speak English because the thing that comes into their mind, that they think if they will speak in front of the people, maybe they make mistake and people started making fun of them. Maybe the words they are going to pronounce, that they won't pronounce it correctly. So all these things comes into our head. When I am also starting, these things also come into my head. But stop this excuses, stop making these excuses, and start your journey. Because when you start your journey, then you are going to improve. Let the mistake happen, because by making mistake only we can learn. So this is the only way to become fluent in English, that start your journey right now without making any excuse. I hope this video is going to help you. If you really like this video, then like it and share it and get motivated, because no one will come to motivate you, no one will come to push you in your journey. This is your journey, you have to take action. Don't make an excuse that I am tired, today I am not well. Don't make this kind of excuse. At least try to speak, try to record yourself for a minute, because when you start doing this, first day maybe you could record yourself for a minute, then 2, then 3, and by doing this day by day, you are going to improve yourself, and in this way your English fluency will become better. So I hope you are going to understand what I can actually make to understand you. If you really like this video, do share this video. Thank you.